Today we're going to change the thermostat on a Yamaha Outboard engine. It's important to change this every 2 to 3 years. You don't want sand to get stuck in this because it regulates the temperature of your engine. So all you need to do the thermostat is a new gasket, brush, needle nose pliers, the actual thermostat, and then a 10-inch ratchet. This ratchet's great. I use it for everything. You can get the link out of the description. Let's get into it. So the thermostat's under this cover. All you need is two 10mm bolts right here, and we can just take that off. All right, now that we have those bolts off, we could take this cover off, and you can see the thermostat is set to 59 degrees, or it's reading 59, but it should be at 6.7. So we should really be getting 6.7 on this. So we can move this away. And then we have our three 10mm bolts we need to take out. These should break loose pretty easily. Yeah, these are barely in. Look at that, super easy. And just be careful with this electrical connector. You could just pop the ratchet off like this and use the ratchet like a screwdriver. Now you should replace this every 1 to 2 seasons if you're in salt water and if you're in a bunch of sandbars. So I go to beaches a lot, and you know, these can get jammed open with sand and rocks, so it's pretty important to replace these. And just watch out for that electrical connection right there. All right, now that we got all 3 bolts out, we could just pop this housing opened. Wow, that old gasket, it looks pretty messed up. Oh wait, did they even put a gasket on it? I don't think they put a gasket on it. That's just like, huh. That's weird. Well, there's supposed to be a gasket. So let's take our brush. This is a plastic brush. You can get the link in the description, but it's important to use plastic here so you don't scratch anything up. All right, now we can take our needle nose pliers and pop this out. Just gotta wiggle it out a little bit. Sometimes it could be a little corroded in there. There it goes. Oh, it did have a gasket. Look, it popped off with it. Oh yeah, that's definitely pretty corroded. It's all green. Oops. All right, there's the gasket. Wow. That is pretty dirty. All right, look at all that junk in there. So I'm just gonna take the plastic brush, clean that out. Yeah, you can hear the rocks dropping down. Ooh. A lot of sand in there. I'm gonna use my finger. It's actually still wet, and I haven't started it up all winter yet. So now just take your new thermostat, slide it in the hole, make sure it bottoms out, and then you can put the gasket over it and tighten it all up. And make sure you grease the bolts, because if you don't grease the bolts, it might not come out as easy. Now you don't need to make these bolts super tight, just snug enough so that it doesn't leak, because if you over tighten it, it'll pull the threads out and that'll stink. And don't forget to spray this down with Yamaha Shield, because it'll stop it all from corroding.